Welcome to programming LEGO Mindstorms NXT with the EV3-G software. Click on Tutorials, Robot Educator. Click on Basics, Driving Base. We will not be doing the stop at angle lesson because the NXT set does not come with a gyro. This is the lesson we will be doing for today, configuring blocks. Click Open. Before you begin, make sure the NXT is plugged in and recognized. You will not see anything in the port view. This is normal when you are programming an NXT with the EV3-G software. Now in this lesson, we will learn how to configure programming block modes, parameters, and values. Each programming block consists of one or more modes. Each mode consists of one or more parameters that define the behavior of that block mode. Play the video. So as can be seen from the video, we are going to add a move steering block, and we are going to click the mode selector and choose on 4 seconds. So the parameters are the steering angle, the power, the number of seconds, and whether to brake or coast at the end of the block. The next step, watch the video. Here, we add a display block and click its mode selector, hover over text mode and then grid from the submenu. You will notice this is slightly different from what you see in the graphic here. This is because you are using an NXT and not an EV3. This is normal, we can proceed. Click the video to play it. So here we add a weight block and click its mode selector. Hover over color sensor, then compare, and finally click color. Now, a slider lets you quickly set a numeric value. On the move steering block, drag the steering parameter slider to set a value. You can also enter the value manually. Click the video. So here you can see I can click on the parameter, can use the slider to set it to either 100 or negative 100, and I can even click within the parameter itself and just manually set the value to 50. Now let's look at manual entry. Click the video. So here, I can click on the word Mindstorms and I will type in the word NXT. Next, we're going to look at file selection. Some files can be selected from a list. We're going to change the display block to image mode, click the port selector, and select a file from the drop-down menu. However, since we are using an NXT instead of an EV3, the graphics will not come out quite as intended because the NXT screen and the EV3 screen are different sizes. The NXT screen is roughly 4 times lower resolution than the EV3 screen, so you'll only see a corner of the image. This is normal and not to be worried about. So let's repeat this. Click here, choose image. Now here I'm going to choose the same image as shown in the video. So you can see you will only see part of the EV3 icon, and that is normal. Finally, we do drop-down selection to choose the color that will be detected by the color sensor. So here it is initially set to red. I'm going to change it to blue instead. Now your program is complete and you can run. Hopefully you have found this lesson useful and hope to see you again next week.